Welcome to Hickory Corners Garage. I'm just about liable to work on anything on here, and it just so happens today I'm working on these idler pulleys off of actually these are for a customer that I got. Modify these pulleys off of the timing belt system. And these pulleys here, these don't sound bad, but he still wants them changed, so that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to replace these with this updated T42015 is the part number on it. And I've got this actually on my bike, my 83 Goldwing, and works perfect. No modifications to put it back on. You just slap them back on as if you just had the OEM part here. Now these right here I've seen go for like 170 bucks a piece for brand new OEM in the box, and even used ones aren't cheap, and you just never know what you're gonna get. So okay, let's give it a whirl here. So got one right here in the vise already. Got a 1/2 inch drill bit, and we're just going to knock out enough here to drill out this part here, because that's pressed in, and once I get that drilled out, this whole assembly should just fall right off and should get a clean little hole right there that's going to be beveled, and it's going to accept this bolt, and it's going to fit in there just right. So let's see how it goes. I'll save this pulley here, and I don't have to because it's no good. Try this again. Success. Look at that. There we go. Man, some of them I don't have to drill that deep, and they just pop right out. This one here fought me all the way. There we go. See that? Right there. Finally. Just got to get down so deep. Now then. See that? That bevel? And that's where this sets in. This will set in just fine. Even on the 82s or earliers that had that heat shield on the back. Later models did, and it still will clear it. And if it don't, what you gotta do is just grind it right there, and there's still a lot of shoulder left over for that to grab onto. But there's that. Okay. Yep. 6mm. Nice. Go like that. See that? And you got this flat surface right here. Way more than here. Here, it was right on that stud. Here you got all this. See that? Fits perfect. And stainless steel washer. That's the bolt right there. I don't know if you can see that or not. It goes there. And this are nylocks. Fit like that. Let's see here. Yeah, 17mm. Ooh. Okay. And there you go. Just like that. Self centers. When you pull on this, you're gonna pull it right through and even that right up. And like I said, you got that nice flat surface right there for that pulley to lay on. And it's just like that. Same idea. Well, there you go. I'm just gonna do that one. I'm gonna do the other one a little bit later. It's pretty darn cold out here in the garage, so appreciate everybody checking this out, and hey, we'll catch you later.